kids, today we are going to learn how to do sums. So far I think you guys are clear if it is repeated addition. For example, these kind of questions where there is no minus given. Here it is add 1 followed by add 2 and add 1. There is no minus or reduction in this sum. So in the second question or in the entire question there is no minus symbol used, right? So in this kind of questions, we are not going to remove any bits, we are keep going to add bits, so it is pretty easy actually. So if it is like add 1, we just need to understand one thing, what is 1, how 1 look like, how 2 look like, how 3 look like, and all those things we need to understand first. So this is 1 followed by 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so just understand that 4 beats gives you the value 4, that's it. So the value of upper beat is 5 followed by this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. Okay, so these are the basic things, that is what is 1, 2, all those things just learn, and make sure that if I'm asking you to add 9, it means that 1 5 in the upper beat followed by 4 beats gives you 9. Okay, so if I'm asking you to remove 8, what is 8 in general? What is 8? This is how 8 look like, right? So 1 upper beat and 3 lower beats gives you 8. So if I want to remove this 8, or if I want to less or subtract or minus, everything means the same. If I want to reduce 8 from this 9, what is 8? 1 upper beat and 3 lower beat gives you 8. Okay, that 1 upper beat and 3 lower beat you have to reduce it, and now the answer is 9. So this is how reducing works. So if you want to add, keep adding things, that is quite easy. You just need to push everything towards the bar. But when it comes to minusing, that is the page 2. So when it comes to minus, so in this page they have given add 1 followed by minus 1, right? So here a minus symbol is used. In the second sum, add 1, minus 1 and add 1, again minus symbol is used. Here let's go to some difficulty sums where 6, add 3, minus 1 and minus 5 is used, right? So just make sure the basic things that you have to learn is what is 1. So before learning this concept, just make sure to learn 1. Okay, for example, just randomly ask some number like 1 followed by 2 or 3, some numbers from 1 to 9. Just ask some random number and just apply those random number on the beats. Okay, if it is 1, give 1, if it is 3, give 3, if it is 4, give 4. Okay, just learn what is 4, what is 1, and what is 3, what is 5, all those numbers. Just learn that first. Later you learn about the minus. Okay, adding is nothing but every beats touching the divider. Okay, reducing is minus is nothing but you have to remove from the divider, that's it. That's the difference between adding and subtracting. Okay, so in adding you will be keep pushing the beats towards the divider. In minusing you have to push away the bits away from the divider. Okay, so if it is like minus 2, first of all notice what is 2 means. Okay, what is 2? 2 beats in the lower beat means 2, right? So this is how 2 looks like. You have to remove this 2 from the existing value. So what is the existing value? This is the existing value. Okay, what is 2? 2 beats you have to remove, right? 2 means 2 beats in the lower beat, that you have to remove from the existing value. So the existing value is 9, that 2 beat alone you remove. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Got it? So if I want to minus 6 from the existing value, so what is 6? This is 6, right? 6 is nothing but 1 upper beat and 1 lower beat gives you 6. If I want to less this 6, if I want to reduce this 6 or minus this 6, what I have to do? I have to remove this 1 upper beat and 1 lower beat from the existing value. Here already I have 7, so here I just need to reduce this 1 upper beat and 1 lower beat, that is minus 6, and now the value is 1. Okay, so we'll go for one more example. Let it be like add 9. Okay, now followed by minus 7. What is minus 7? Minus 7 is nothing but 1 upper beat, which is 5 followed by 6 and 7. This is how 7 look like. Okay, I just need to remove this 7 from the existing one. So how 7 look like? The 7 is nothing but one upper beat and two lower beat. Okay, I need to remove this from the existing one. So one upper beat I removed and two lower bit I removed, so it is minus 7. Now the answer is 2. Okay, so this is how we have to do minus sum. And in this pages the minus sum is pretty easy. I guess you can do it, but as the pages goes, always make sure that to check for the symbols. Okay, if there is no symbols given, it is addition, it is add to. But if there is any symbol given like this, a minus, a hyphen symbol given, it is minus. You have to reduce it. You should not keep adding the whole value. Okay, it is not add 2 followed by add 7 followed by add 3. It's not add 3. There is a symbol given before 3. It means it is minus. Okay, so in the sums, don't add the entire thing. Some of you kids are doing mistakes. Since you are familiar with addition, you're just doing addition, but make sure just remember that if there is no symbol given, that is addition. If there is symbol given like this, then it is subtraction. For addition, they won't specify with plus symbol, so there is nothing given, it's addition. Just remember that if there is nothing given, it's addition. If it is given, it's subtraction. Okay, so this is how we have to do addition as well as subtraction sum.